I was on a medication for a nerve pain that actually, the side effect of it was that it was actually like eroding all the enamel on my teeth. It affected my ability to eat. It affected my ability to even talk. I didn't smile at all. I didn't want people like looking at me. I'm a vegetarian, so I like to eat like a lot of veggies and stuff. I wasn't able to like eat raw vegetables or anything like that. I had to avoid a lot of different foods. I'm able to eat now comfortably. I'm able to smile now. I'm not, self-conscious about people looking at me when I talk or smile or laugh because I feel more confident about myself. Whereas before I was like, well, yeah, but I don't have a nice smile, but now I do again. I think I knew once I started to research my options of how I could get it fixed, because my normal dentist was telling me that it was kind of past the point of no return, that there was really nothing more that they could do for me. So I researched and I found EON, and they have a free consultation, and I came in and they were very informative. The surgeon kind of gave me the lowdown on what to expect going into surgery. I was a little bit nervous, but everything was great. They made sure I was comfortable, and so I felt very secure and safe. All the people at EON are great. From the moment you walk in the door, the receptionist, they all know your name. They all make you feel really at home. You have a care partner that's assigned to you that's really awesome. It felt like a family. They're available, anytime through text or call. So I thought that was pretty neat. The procedure wasn't really that bad, actually. I'm only 4 weeks post-op on the bottom. You're back to work, before you know it. I had the fear that it wouldn't look right. When I first saw it, I was just so happy because I looked like my old self again.